Hey guys, Mr. Apple here for another video today. This video is dedicated to my mum, because she just loves watching my videos that I post on YouTube. So we are going to be playing as, I know you can't see me, and we are going to be playing as P-Man LOL 2, so Walking Berry Apple, and I'm not showing you the password. Because I already showed you one of my accounts' passwords, and I think that was P-Man LOL 2. Okay, I was just thinking something. Sometimes my brain just goes into the wondrous world of imagination. So let's play. I hate my glitchy thing. See, like it's going on and off. Right?
Is the spider coming up the
Wait, so, yeah. Okay. I don't like it. Oh no presents. Oh. Oh, that's bad, we missed it. Oh, that's so bad, that is so bad. Oh, thank you. Happy New Year. What? Okay. I wonder how we get that Happy New Year thing. Happy New Year, thank you. Happy New Year. And playing Animal Jam on the playing Animal Jam and recording it on YouTube, dedicated to my mum, is the best thing to do on New Year's Eve. Anyway, we hardly even celebrate Christmas and New Year's Eve, like probably yeah. So we hardly we do hardly celebrate New Year's and Christmas like everybody else does. So Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Oh, and also, I have ideas of changing. So as you can see, my two animals are Walking Berry Apple and Mutant Modern Master here. I want to get rid of Mutant Modern Master, and I want to change him into a seal, so I can have a sea thing, so I can have a sea animal, and a seal is because I want big and bold animals like tigers, and my baby brother, on his account, I think he has a rhinoceros, rhino, and
rhino and yes, a rhino and a tiger.
seal. Oh no,
yes.
he has a seal. Then he has a seal, and he has a tiger. So he doesn't have a rhino. But I can make him another account, but not now, okay? And so we're going to be deleting Mutant Modern Master. And we are going to be exchanging him for a seal, and he's going to be just like Walking Berry Apple. Hopefully you'll have the exact same name, hopefully. Yeah, that's good. So now we need to go swap animals once it's done. Hurry up, why does it have to be so long? And it's a little bit laggy. Okay. Cycle. Yes. Add animal. It should be in the middle thing. I don't know, it's a bunny. Where's the seal? Here's the seal. Right here. Oh, it's 1,000 gems. How do we not have 1,000 gems?
At least do I have to sell, Petey?
Huh?
At least do I have to sell?
Yeah. So now I'm gonna have a seal and a tiger, and you have a seal and a tiger. So what we are going to do, guys, is we're going to get 500 gems. Ooh, 3 diamonds. That is actually nice. Even though my other account, it has way more gems and it has 2 more diamonds. Wait, does it have 2 more diamonds? I'll check later. And so we are going. Wait, I'll just quickly call my mum in if I can. Mummy. That's how I say. Do you want to say hello? Just wait. Do you want to say hello? Okay. So, here's my mum, so that you're there. So say hello.
That's interesting. Hello.
Yes.
Hello to my viewers of my PT.
Yes.
And it's Beanskin. And it's my 2 little angels.
And don't forget that we have a family YouTube channel called Lyra's Boys.
Yeah.
Don't forget. So yeah, link in the description.
Petey,
Yes.
I'm gonna watch my video.
Thank you.
Yes. So and also
Very proud of you.
yes. So don't forget to check out. Don't forget to check out the family YouTube channel.
See ya.
Yeah. So back to me now.
Back to you.
Yeah. Okay. So now you probably can't see me now. That's because I pressed magic buttons. Ooh. Okay. What was I gonna do? Right. I was gonna get gems. Absolutely no idea how to get them fast. I don't know which game is easier that gives you most gems. Probably best dressed. There's Twister Fans, beat 'em up, slash and dash, gimbal, muses, double up, long shots. I sort of like long shots, and I think you can get a lot of gems. So yeah, I don't wait. I'm gonna speak this loud, because I don't know if you can hear me properly. Like I don't know if I'm soft, but I'm gonna speak like this now, so you can sort of hear me better. So we're playing long shots, and one time I think I actually broke a world record because no more different lands would actually load in. I was actually at the maximum. Literally, I'm not pretending. I was actually at the high score, the highest score in the world. So yeah, I wonder if we can do it here. So fingers crossed, guys. Look, I'll just quickly see. Fingers crossed. Damn it. Okay, close now. 10,000 plus. I need 3 banded armadillos, can kill 7 to the Hasbro. Yeah, you can't. Even if you get a super high score, you don't get a lot of gems. Like I just got 25 gems on that, so 525. Let's. So how else do you get gems? Probably not flamingo.
That'll be hard hit.
Yeah. So let's play another game. Let's play. I don't think I've ever played marbles before, so somebody join me in marbles. Maybe you? Hey? Hey? Come on, please. I have no money. Wait, what did I say there? I'm just thinking of a video that says, it is a cardboard thing. It says, please give me money. I have no money. Oh! Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh, okay. Little red oh, I thought it said little red pants. Okay, where am I? Oh, I'm yellow, and he's blue. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm supposed to get it in there. Okay. Oops. Well, I never played this before, so it's his turn now. Oh. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, yes, thank you very much. It's out. Oh. I think that you just have to place it and then... Come on, give me my balls. My sweet little balls. Marbles. There's actually 3 things that are similar. There's marbles, balls, and baubles. So, yeah. My turn yet? Thank you. Okay. So, finally I'm gonna play this good. No, damn it. Why did I just... Oh, so you're gonna kick him out of this. Oh, okay. Yeah, he's better than me. Well, actually, no. He's giving me all mine. Oh, jeez, well. Yeah! Ooh! Yeah. Right. What is this? Fast Foodies, sure. It's like Cooking Craze, which is an app that you can download. And I mean on a laptop. I sort of like this. I can't remember how much gems you get. Wait. Oh my god. Oh, there we go. 60. Oh, great. Okay. Wow. Okay, you want an apple? I mean, an orange there. Oh, yeah, this is just like Cooking Craze. Although it's Animal Jam. You wanna, hurry up. There we go. Thank you. Now what do you want? Oh! Are you trying to be picky, are you? Oh my god. 60. There we go. Next level. 120. See, you get things more now. So yeah. Here you go. Here you go. Okay. OP. OP. Why did you make me do this then? 1. You're welcome. Okay, what do you want? You want this. Oops. Okay, don't give me much then. Don't be sad.